My name is Neerav Roberts, father of Kayla Roberts. I'm her donor. We first realized she was sick when she was 4 years of age. We took her to hospital, and from there we went to Trinidad, Mount Hope, to see Dr. Silman. Later we found out that she had a liver disease, and from then she was admitted for 3 years in Trinidad. We were introduced to Children Life Fund that helped us in preparing to do her surgery and to find out where we were going. When we find out it was Apollo, we was very nervous and anxious as to how it will be like. Then we met up with Dr. Neerav Goyal, and he explained about the transplant to us and what we'll be expecting, that she'll lose all of her liquid from her body weight. I was very anxious coming up to the surgery, but they ensured me that I have nothing to worry about, and indeed it was a success. After the surgery, my nurses was ensured that I was well taken care of and helped us out in every way they could have. And the physiotherapists pushed and make sure that we was able to walk and move around as soon as possible at the given time. On behalf of us, I would like to thank Dr. Neerav and his surgical team for all they have done for us and for a successful surgery and recovery. I will recommend anybody to come to Apollo Hospital and was helped in every way that they could have in my recovery period and the surgery.